My name's Sebastian. I'm the director and distiller at Pleasant Land Distillery. We are a specialist contract distilling operation focusing on distilling spirits from scratch, such as potato vodka and apple brandies. Well, we have gone with the vision of wanting to be a carbon neutral distillery and have responsible water use. And there are areas in distilling which often aren't talked about, like water use, like waste heat, that are absolutely critical and in order to decarbonise the industry. So in terms of saving water, we'll use 90% less water than a traditional distillery. We've applied for some funding to help us install our heat reuse and water cooling and low energy water cooling. We use a fan assisted heat dump to generate hot air and cool the water, and that hot air is then used to dry the biomass through a forced air drying bed. The water is then returned to our rainwater tank reservoir for reuse in distillery processes. So a very nice closed loop. That means that all the water that would otherwise have been going down the drain or into a river for cooling is now being returned and then reused in the process. We're also saving on mains water charges and also all of the maintenance issues commonly associated with the very hard water that we have in Kent by using nature's distillery and getting nice fresh distilled rainwater. Well, at the end of this, we'll use about 10% of the water of a traditional distillery. So the grant specifically has enabled us to undertake a project that otherwise we simply just don't have the cash for. And so having this extra help just means that we can make our vision a reality. Being on the Growing Green programme outside of the grant itself has been just a really fantastic networking opportunity to meet like-minded businesses and individuals, possibly even generate some new business for myself as well by having a line vision for what Kent produce should be like. I think it's critically important to be able to showcase our ability to save water in a cost-effective and easy-to-do way that can be rolled out across other distilleries if they want to.